Where are we at right now?
We're on a boat.
There it is. Hey.
There's one shot I wanted the two of you. You two are kind of like maybe leaning back in a corner or something, and I'm shooting down on you.
Ooh, yeah.
Maybe you're here.
Yeah.
And I'm standing up here. Taylor, off to your right. Point your toes, don't curl those back a little bit more for me. There you go. Yeah, both of you looking awful. Love this, guys. Right? Jackie looking at me now. Right there. Soften that look up just a little bit. Yeah, Taylor, I love where you're looking. Good. Get comfortable with each other. Like lean into them, grab them. Taylor is figuring out how to get in the character, man. He's ready. Okay. This was the shot I wanted. Okay. It was good.
Good.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Guys, you're gonna die. Just look at each other, smiling. Let's keep rocking this.
Okay.
Actually, now go with both hands in your pockets. Yep. Open up towards me though, Taylor. Yeah, I love that. Go, Jackie, with your right arm, go through his arms. Stand by. Best shot. Jackie looking right at me. Love this, guys. Beautiful. Okay. What do you want to do next? You want it to jump off the... Oh, no, you want to do champagne next. Okay? We got one shot at this, so if you make us faces, that's what we're stuck with. Yeah.
Pressure's on.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Just like...
Yeah.
You're doing it together. That's all.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Let me get dialed in here.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready, just tell me. Drink from it. Drink from it. There you go.
Yes.
Good job looking at each other. Smiling. 1, 2, 3. Good. Close your eyes. Soft kiss. Yeah. Good. And let's drink. Have at it. I need you to be as animated, big smile as possible.
Are we putting our legs up?
Yeah, get up as elevated as you can get.
Hands up or hands down?
Hands up. For
Okay.
sure. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if I was either.
What I want though is like as you're walking, just leaning into them. Like I want it to look and feel a little natural. When we do stuff like this, if I get one frame, that's good. That's my mindset. So let's put you back here, coming towards me, just slowly looking at each other, smiling. On love this, guys. Stop right there. Reach in for a kiss. Love that. Coming back. Coming to me. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Jackie, hold on to his, Taylor, left hand in your pocket. Open your chest to her a little. Yeah, right there. Hold on, I'm coming.
The New Yorker is in the water.
It's a big moment, guys.
Yeah.
Down. let's stay there for now. This is good. Yes, love that. Good. Oh my gosh, so good, guys. Love this. Yeah, right there. Good, smiling, rocking each other.
Amazing.
That one awesome.
Oh my god.
And again,
Literally.
all right, how's photo shoot?
Amazing.
Amazing. Say amazing.
How much did you pay her though? To
I
say
didn't,
that.
you know, honestly, it wasn't as much as I thought at
Yeah.
first, but I did find them on Craigslist.
Craigslist?
Is that
What's
even a thing
that?
anymore? It's not a thing. These guys rock. We're excited to do their wedding, and man, it's gonna be hard to top these engagement photos.
How long has it been since we did her senior photos?
Oh, that's true. We
Yeah.
did your senior photos how many years ago?
10 years ago.
10 years ago, which just means I'm getting old. So let's wrap it at that.